Welcome to Beyond the Sky, where science meets wonder.
Something is wrong with Pluto. Scientists are confused. Astronomers are alert. And now, everyone is asking, is Pluto going to collide with Neptune? Pluto, our most mysterious dwarf planet, is showing strange changes. Its temperature is shifting, its atmosphere is thinning, and new cracks are appearing on its frozen surface. Some people fear Pluto might be in danger. But what is really happening? Pluto's orbit has always been unusual. It's tilted, stretched, and yes, it even crosses Neptune's orbit. This makes many people believe a collision is possible. But the truth is the opposite. Pluto and Neptune follow a gravitational pattern known as a 3-2-2 orbital resonance. This cosmic dance ensures that both worlds never arrive at the same place at the same time. The universe has already designed a system that makes a collision impossible. So if Neptune isn't the problem, then what is actually wrong with Pluto? According to New Horizons data, Pluto is going through natural internal changes. Its atmosphere is freezing, nitrogen ice is shifting, glaciers are moving, and cracks are forming near the poles. Pluto is simply passing through its 248-year climate cycle. Slow, extreme transformation. Will Pluto break apart? No, it's changing, but not collapsing. The pressure on its surface and the movement of its ice are all part of a natural cosmic process. So the final answer is, Pluto will never collide with Neptune. The changes happening on Pluto are not because of another planet, but because of Pluto's own evolving climate. Something is definitely happening on this distant frozen world, but it's not a cosmic crash. It's a transformation. And if you love exploring the mysteries of space, make sure to subscribe, because the universe is full of surprises.